What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you some updated math for the Builder's Apprentice and the Laboratory Assistant, which came out just a few days ago with the Town Hall 17 update for Clash of Clans. Now, you may have seen my video when the Builder's Apprentice just came out, where I showed you how long it will take for it to pay off using certain methods. I would like to do that again, but with the Builder's Apprentice and the Laboratory Assistant, and show you a better way of comparing. Now, you may recall in my previous video, or my first video covering the Builder's Apprentice, I compared how long it will take to pay off for all upgrades, like based on the time it will save, in total for the level, and based on all of the gems you will spend. Instead, I realized that it's better to consider each level individually. So what I mean by this is this spreadsheet shows, like, let's say level 8 compared to the Goblin Builder, shows that if you got it to level 8, spent all 6.5 thousand gems on it, then it would take 488 uses to pay off. But instead, this will show, like, once again, Goblin Builder with level 8. This will show you how long it will take just level 8 to pay off. So in this case, it's 600 uses. The reason why this is better is that it's a more accurate way of showing what how long it will take to pay off if you upgraded it one more time. So let's say you've got your Builder's Apprentice at level 7, and you're saying, should I upgrade it to level 8? Okay, spoiler alert, the answer is yes. Now, going off of this spreadsheet, well, it goes from 471 to 488 usage. So maybe I should. But like looking at this, if you go from level 7 to 8, you'll have to actually use it 600 times for just level 8 to pay off. So yes, you should still upgrade it, but I think that presenting the values like this is better. Once again, you may recognize this formula from my other video. Now, or I guess without the level, because the time saved is always going to be 1 hour. Because remember, it's each individual level that we're looking at, not all of the upgrades at once. So, for example, let's say it's level 8. The Goblin Builder is 36 gems per minute. So the M is 36, 600. The Builder Potion, 5 builders, it's this. So we'll say B here, 157.89. Now let's move on to the Lab Assistant. So the two methods I decided to compare it to are the Goblin Researcher and the Research Potion. We've bought in the trader shop for 120 gems. So this would be, it saves 23 hours. So 23 times 60 is the number of minutes per gem, 120, so 11.5. Plug that into the formula. 191. Because remember, the cost is still 1,000. Now, so like, Lab Assistant. So if we wanted to do, like, let's say levels 6 through 8, do the same thing, but instead change the cost to 750. 143.75. Sorry, that was actually 5 to 8. Now, if you do not understand what I said about the difference between this spreadsheet and this spreadsheet, um, don't worry. I think it's best to just refer to this spreadsheet um, and to determine whether or not you want to upgrade your Builder's Apprentice or Lab Assistant. So I think the way you should interpret this is when you're thinking about upgrading, look at the spreadsheet and check out the next upgrade you want. So say it's level 4. Your Builder's Apprentice is level 4, and you want to upgrade it to level 5. The question you want to ask yourself is, am I going to use the Builder's Apprentice at least 600 more times? If so, then yes, upgrade it. If you're gonna quit Clash of Clans after less than 600 days, then no, you don't. Or another thing to ask is, do you think it's going to be worth that long of an investment? Now, of course, you should say yes. Instead of preferring short-term investments. I mean, I have seen people saying, "Oh man, yeah, this Builder's Apprentice is stupid. I'd rather just spend 285 gems on a builder potion." I mean, 190 days, but that Builder's Apprentice is going to be better. Anyways, just move my cursor out of the way so you can screenshot this if you want. And that's all I'm going to have for you today. I'm sorry for going so long without an upload. I might actually upload tomorrow. Anyways, bye.